Wow, look at that. Doesn't it look nice, Yoshi?
Yeah, I guess it does.
Why you say you guess it does?
Because it doesn't have me in it. That's the saddest part.
For you. But, yeah, I guess this... Well... Yeah. This is... Just give you a moment to look at it. Alright, and here's the other picture. Mario Kart Double Dash. Yoshi tried to cut it out, but it didn't work. And now, here's one with Mario Party that the Dairy Shack took out from the game case. And look, Yoshi, there's you. And there's me on top of the corner.
Where no one can see you.
Don't gotta put it like that. And there goes Star Mario. And New Super Mario Brothers. Another game where there's not me. What kind of... This is some... well, I really didn't mean to use the language, but... And now here's another thing. These things are so tiny, you can't even read it. But this is Super Mario Brothers. Something that I cut out from Game Informer. And this is another game. And this is another game called Mario Sonic the Olympic Games. We used to have Mario Sonic the Olympic Winter Games over here, but it got cut off because it kept on falling. And this one, Bowser's Inside Story. Another one that we used from the case, just like this one, and this one, and this one. So yeah. Oh yeah, sorry. And we got a Mario calendar. So let's have a Super 2011. From Nintendo DSi XL. And there is everybody. And my school calendar. Well, not really my school calendar, but the guy who's filming this is class. PS2 Yeah. Well, that's about it for today.
Wait! Brother? Why don't have me in there? Because you never existed in these kind of games before. Aww.
Alright, now that's totally how much stuff we have for today. Bye, we'll end with this.